Today I am telling you the basics of investing. And note one thing, that this video is divided into some parts, and this is the first part of the series. Enjoy the video. Explanation of what investing is. Certainly, investing is the process of putting your money into an asset or venture with the expectation of receiving a return on that investment. This can include buying stocks or bonds, investing in a business or real estate, or putting money into a mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF. When you invest, you are essentially taking a risk with your money in the hopes of earning a profit. The level of risk can vary depending on the investment, with some investments being riskier than others. For example, stocks can be a high-risk investment because their value can fluctuate rapidly based on changes in the stock market or a company's financial performance. On the other hand, bonds are generally considered a lower-risk investment because they offer a fixed rate of return and are generally less volatile than stocks. It's important to understand that investing is not the same as saving. Saving involves putting money away in a savings account or other low-risk investment with the goal of preserving the value of your money over time. Investing, on the other hand, involves taking on more risk with the potential for greater rewards. While investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, it's important to be aware of the risks involved and to do your research before investing your money. By understanding the basics of investing, you can make informed decisions and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. There are several reasons why people invest their money. Here are some common reasons. Reason 1. To grow their wealth. One of the primary reasons people invest is to grow their wealth over time. By putting their money into assets that have the potential to increase in value, such as stocks or real estate, they can generate a return on their investment and build their net worth. This is a great way to achieve long-term financial security and create a nest egg for the future. Reason 2. To generate income. Another reason people invest is to generate a regular stream of income. For example, they may invest in dividend-paying stocks or bonds that provide a steady stream of interest payments. This can be a great way to supplement your income and achieve financial independence. Reason 3. To save for retirement. Investing can be a great way to save for retirement, as it allows you to grow your savings over time and potentially generate a higher return than you would with a traditional savings account or other low-risk investments. By investing in a diversified portfolio of assets, you can create a retirement nest egg that will support you in your golden years. Reason 4. To achieve financial goals. People may also invest to achieve specific financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying for a child's education. By investing their money wisely, they can achieve these goals more quickly and efficiently than they would with a traditional savings account or other low-risk investments. Reason 5. To beat inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the cost of goods and services increases over time. By investing their money, people can potentially earn a return that outpaces inflation, allowing them to maintain the purchasing power of their savings over time. This is important for long-term financial security and achieving your financial goals. Reason 6. To take advantage of market opportunities. Finally, some people invest to take advantage of short-term market opportunities, such as buying a stock that is temporarily undervalued or investing in a new technology that has the potential for high growth. While this approach can be riskier than long-term investing, it can also lead to higher returns in some cases. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the top reasons why people invest their money. Whether you are looking to grow your wealth, generate income, save for retirement, achieve financial goals, beat inflation, or take advantage of market opportunities, investing can be a great way to achieve your financial dreams. As always, it's important to do your research and make informed decisions when it comes to investing your hard-earned money. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.